Hey, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Vanper Lifestylez. I just wanted to keep everyone updated on what I've got going on with the van so far, and also just to show you that you don't need anything fancy to get out here and enjoy the adventures while living the van life. So basically, so far I've just gotten a couple small mechanical problems taken care of with the box. I got this light bar and the fog lights working. Other than that, I just had a little issue going on with a wiring harness that was making my blower and heat for the AC not work, and a couple lights shorted out, but got that taken care of. So just wanted to show you what I got so far, and like I said, all you need to get out there and enjoy the van life adventures and journey is basically a van. So welcome to my box. So I just got going so far. I took out the middle seats. I got this carpet to make it a little more homey and cozy. I've got my water jug, my trash can, my Jackery 240 box, my refrigerator, 12 volt. I got the privacy curtain for the front windows, my bed back here. I also have an extra air mattress under the bed that pulls out and I can blow up for guests. This is actually the couch, and it folds down into the bed that I'm using for now. It's electric, so it's pretty cool. It's actually pretty comfortable compared to my last 3 vans with the stock couch bed in the back. This one seems to be lay a lot more flatter and be a lot nicer. So yeah, this is it. I use my cooler as a countertop for my cooking stuff and table as of right now, while I'm still basically trying to get together what I'd like to build out. But I'm just enjoying it how it is now and doing little by little as I go along. So yeah, 2002 Chevy Express with the 5.7 liter. So in the back I got my propane tank for my cooking stove and my buddy heater. I've got my electric blanket, my sleeping bags, some pillows. I got some tools and a jump box in case I need it. The portable toilet and shower in case of emergencies. And that's pretty much all you need. You can be out on the road, traveling, exploring, and enjoying the adventures. So thank you all for watching. I'll keep everyone updated as I get more things done and as the Vanper Lifestylez adventures continue. Get yourself a van, use it how it is, and you can get out there and enjoy everything that life has to offer. You can love all the nature and everything you see along the way. It's just great. Like I said, you don't need much. I mean, basically, water jug, 12 volt fridge, which you can use as a regular cooler. Even I just had that from my last van. And you know, my buddy heater, the Jackery box. This van actually had a stock inverter in it from the company that built it. I believe was American Vans did this high top conversion. So I also have for the Jackery box just like a little light that's USB that I plug in, and it has a clip. You can clip this and hang it anywhere you'd like. It only pulls about 3 watts of power at the most out of the Jackery box. And that Jackery box I also can plug my heated blanket into and get it nice and warm, as well as having the buddy heater on just to take the chill out of the air for a little bit. So yeah, it's working out great so far. So yeah, that's basically my van right now, and I'm just going along, enjoying the adventures, loving the life of the Vanper Lifestylez. And I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out as the adventures continue. I hope all of y'all are safe out there as all this madness is going on in the world right now. Get yourself a van and join the journey. Thanks again. Love you all. Peace.